Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. Today I'm coming up to you with a hair tutorial, super easy for summer. You are good to go. If you have an old corn roll that you don't really know what to do with it before you wash it, so this is the easiest and quickest and fastest, what you name it. So yeah, this is a kind of hairstyle. I'm going out, so I decided not to wear wig because everywhere is super hot, like seriously. So yeah, I decided to come up with this kind of big inner feed corn roll. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve the look, the hairstyle, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. Okay, let's begin. As you can tell, my cornrow is 6 days old, so I'm about to wash it. But before that, I'm just going to start with these two at the middle. I'm just going to try to remove the cornrow so that I can pattern it properly, so that everything is going to look nice and slimlessly. Okay, so yeah, I do love to do this with old cornrows, like I said before I wash my hair. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to take my comb. I'm just going to detangle it so that we can apply a little bit of gel. I only use gel, I didn't use any other product on this hairstyle. So yeah, I have a mirror to check the back if it is a bit smooth, if it is, the pattern is neat. So yeah, left and right, I make sure I check properly. So yeah, but with our gel, we are going to do the perfect job. I'm going to be taking the Eco Style professional styling gel. I'm just going to apply that at the perimeter of my hairline so that I can use my comb to really make it neat and yeah, to work with, so that there's not going to be any tangling at all. So yeah, the hair I'm going to be using to achieve this corn roll, I'm going to be using the extension expression hair. So yeah, in color 27. When it comes to the length, I use 4 lengths at the front, and at the back I use the 3 lengths at the back, so that we can have a little bit long length at the back. So yeah, for extra backup for the edges, just to slick back, I'm going to be taking the got2b glue gel just to apply that at the front. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this extension, like I said, I'm going to be taking a bit of hair, very tiny. I'm going to take 3 times from this, then I'm going to take a bit more for these 3 lengths that I cut. So yeah, I hope it makes sense the way I'm applying, the way I'm explaining it. You guys know if you work with extension. So I'm just going to go ahead and start to cornrow, but before that, I'm going to try to lay my edges, honey. I'm just going to leave a little bit of baby hair out so that we can slick it later to the guards. Okay, so I'm just going to start to cornrow. So first, I'm going to be starting with my natural hair. I don't love to start with my natural because we need to protect our edges, honey. I don't really work with extension or expression because it cuts my hair that much, so you hardly see me using extension. Maybe for a while you're going to be seeing me because it's summer. I need to slay my hair to the guts. I'm tired of wearing wig. Okay, honey, so right now let me stop talking. I'm just going to start to apply the extension to my hair. As you can see me, I cross it and then I leave this one side out, and then later I bring it backwards. So with that, you can really see the definition where I apply the expression extension. Okay. Thank you. So I hope I explain it properly. Okay, this is called inner feeding. Okay, so guys, excuse the face. Okay, excuse the face, don't come for me. Okay, because I was coming back from work, I decided to put this tutorial out there because I'm going out, so I need to put this tutorial out there because it was fun. At the beginning I wasn't happy the way it looks like, but trust me, at the end of the drama, like seriously, at the end of the drama, I was loving how the cornrow turned out too. If I knew, I would have make it a bit bigger, but all the same, I'm still loving the way how it looks like. When it comes to extension, like I said, expression, I'm not really a fan. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful. Just watch me do. It's super easy. It took me, I think, 20 minutes if I'm not mistaken. It took me 20 minutes to achieve this look hairstyle. So yeah, I wanna do you better, think I'm So guys, we are pretty much done with the cornrow. As you can see, I'm loving how it looks like, and I'm loving the length. I'm happy that it's not too long because weather is too hot, like seriously. So yeah, I'm just going to try now and lay my edges. Honey, my edges was a bit struggle to lay this because my hair was not washed. So like I said, it's an old cornrow. So yeah, but you know your makeup junkie as a hairstylist thing. We always find our way out. Okay, so yeah guys, that's a pretty much it for this hairstyle. Like I said, it's super simple. If you don't really know what to do when you're going out and you don't want to wear wig, it's not every time wig, like it can be a struggle sometimes. So yeah, I'm just going to apply some Nivea hair mousse so that we can lay it properly, lay down to the guts. I'm just going to take my hair wrap, I'm just going to wrap it for extra hold as well. And I'm going to be dipping into hot water so that they can relax well on my back. They can relax, okay? Yeah, be careful, don't burn your hand. You're working with hot water, girl. Don't be carried away. You see my face? I'm so concerned when it comes to hot water. I don't want my neck to get burned. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this look. Our faces beats, our hair is on snatch. Like, what more do you want, honey? So we are done. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch this video to the end, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, leave me a comment what you think. I'm gonna see you in my next video. I'm extra, I know. Take a ciao.